Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another live forex trading video for you guys. In this video I'm gonna share with you one of the live trade which I took in my client's account. I went long in pound Oz and I made more than $2,500 in a single trade. I took long somewhere around here and market went in favor of me and then it reversed. So I decided to close all my positions here with the profit of $2,500. This is how I managed the trade. Took almost 12 hours and I decided to close it with decent profit. And let me tell you that I made more than 35% returns in just 2 days only for this client. Let me share with you how much he deposited. He deposited on 7th of March. He deposited around $20,000. Look at that, how many trades I made after he deposited, and I made more than $7,000 in 20k deposit. So that's around 35% returns in just 2 trading days only. So this is how I trade for my clients. If you have not joined my service yet, you are missing some decent profits. So I hope after seeing these results you will join me very soon, and I hope you like this video. Please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to join my free Telegram channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.